Scene script. Ever felt like you're navigating a maze without a map when it comes to affiliate marketing? It's a common feeling, but fear not. We've got a compass to guide you through, the 10-point checklist for beginner affiliate marketers. First on the list, find your niche. It's like finding your unique voice in a crowd. A niche that resonates with your passion and knowledge not only makes your marketing journey enjoyable, but also authentic and persuasive. Second, understand your audience. It's like learning a new language to communicate effectively. Knowing their needs, desires, and pain points enables you to offer them the right solutions. Third, choose the right affiliate programs. It's akin to choosing the right partners for a dance. You need to ensure they offer products or services that your audience will love and that they provide a fair commission. The fourth point is to create high-quality content. This is your stage, your performance. Your content should educate, entertain, and engage your audience, compelling them to take action. Fifth, optimize for SEO. It's like setting up signboards in a busy city directing people to your store. SEO helps your content get discovered by the right audience. Moving on, the sixth point is to leverage email marketing. It's like having a direct conversation with your audience, keeping them informed and engaged with your latest offerings. Seventh, promote products with honesty and transparency. It's like building trust with a friend. Your audience needs to know they can rely on your recommendations. Eighth, consistently monitor and tweak your strategies. It's like adjusting your sails to catch the wind better. Regular analysis helps you understand what's working and what needs improvement. Ninth, diversify your income streams. It's like planting different crops for a bountiful harvest. Promoting a variety of products or services can help stabilize your income. Lastly, the 10th point is to invest in continual learning. It's like sharpening your sword for the battle. The affiliate marketing landscape is ever-changing, and staying updated is crucial for success. So there you have it, the 10-point checklist for beginner affiliate marketers. It's not just a checklist, but a roadmap to your affiliate marketing success. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Now, it's your turn to take that step.